If you have 5/4 of a chocolate bar, do you have more or less than a whole? I would try drawing out what this fraction would look like first, and then think about it that way. Okay, so let's draw out what this chocolate bar would look like. Okay, so now I have this chocolate bar, and I know it's cut into 4 different pieces because what is the whole? 4, right? So let's cut it into 4 different pieces. This piece would be 1 out of 4. This is another 1 out of 4, another 1 out of 4, and another 1 out of 4. The total of this would be 4 out of 4, right? Because I have 4 1/4, right? But notice how we have to deal with 5/4. Okay, another thing to also notice is this equals 1. So that's one portion. So we have 5/4 of a chocolate bar. That means we actually have one more of this guy over here. So this is another 1/4 piece. Okay, and that, if we take this 1 plus this 1/4, we get 5/4. Now you might be asking, how is that even possible? Well, think of it this way. We have 4/4 plus 1/4, and then you get 5/4. And the reason this works is because we have the same denominator, we're able to add just across. However, if this denominator is different from this denominator, can't do that. But in this case, we can, because they're the same denominator, we can just add like we regularly do. 4 plus 1 is 5. Just carry over the denominator, 5/4. Okay? And so do you have more or less than a whole? You have more than a whole.